Turn the mic off, baby. You're not saying anything new. Every rant's a rerun, and the audience is through. Every night you make a scene, talking like you're 17. You call it healing, I call it spin. You're the storm that you pretend to be stuck in. A tragic boy with a mirror for a muse. Every heartbreak's just another excuse. You think your silence makes you deep, but you're just sulking, half asleep. You love the sound of you, every sigh, every deja vu. If drama paid rent, you'd own a house, but all your lessons just get lost in your mouth. You love the sound of you, the echo's your favorite. You'd film your tears if they'd stay in frame, and call that growth by another name. You say I'm misunderstood on cue, like it's a script no one asked you to do. You talk in riddles, act profound, but it's just static dressed to sound. You spin your guilt like vinyl pain, same sad track again and again. You crave the pity more than peace, you're addicted to your own release. You love the sound of you, every word's an IOU. The world owes you for your tears, for the love you killed, for wasted years. You love the sound of you, even when it's not true. You don't want love, you want an audience. You want confession without consequence. You weaponize your pain like prose, pretend it's depth but everyone knows. Your self-awareness is performative art. You quote your trauma but skip the part where you might grow, where you might change. You'd rather just rearrange. You love the sound, love the sound. You love the sound, love the sound of you. You say I'm done, then come back around. Can't stand silence, can you? You say I don't get your truth, but I've heard it all since our youth. You talk about souls and cosmic signs, but never about crossing lines. You'd rather sulk than say you're wrong. You'd rather post it in a song. You love the sound of you, you love the way your pain shines through, but real ones heal in quiet rooms. You just light candles in your ruins. You love the sound of you, and maybe I do too. Turn the mic off, baby. Let the silence say what's true. 'Cause you never loved me, you just love the sound of you.